Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I cook pork bone soup. It's a Korean dish that I'm gonna be attempting to cook. This is my first time cooking this dish. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's start cooking. Rinse pork at least 3 times, then soak it for 30 minutes. Cut napa cabbage in quarter and blanch it for 1 minute. Wash napa cabbage in cold water and set it aside. Cook pork for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, take out the boiling water and wash the pork in cold running water, taking out any extra fat, dark foamy stuff, and bone fragments. Place pork, dried shiitake mushroom, ginger, onion, soybean paste, and water in a pot. Cover and let it cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes in a medium-high heat. Combine crushed garlic, hot pepper flakes, hot pepper paste, fish sauce, perilla seeds powder, ground black pepper, and 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Remove dried shiitake mushroom and slice thinly. Add napa cabbage, green onions, sliced shiitake mushroom, and potatoes. Add seasoning paste and mix it well. Cook it for another 30 to 40 minutes until your potatoes are done. Our gamjatang is done. It's time to eat.